Ever wondered why you yawn even when you're not sleepy? Yawning isn't just a sign of fatigue, it's your brain's secret reset button. When you yawn, your body takes in a deep breath, cooling the brain and increasing blood flow. This rapid rush of oxygen helps regulate brain temperature and sharpens mental alertness. Scientists believe yawning acts as a natural reboot, keeping you focused during long tasks or moments of boredom. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's your brain's clever way to boost performance.